In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Gmail account without password, phone number, verification code, and recovery email. Now, if you lost access to those and you want to recover back your account, then this video is right for you. So make sure to follow each and every step shown in this video. And if you find value in this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So without further ado, let's begin. So the first thing you need to do, you need to open your browser that you normally use. So I'll open my Chrome browser. Now in the search bar, just type in Google account recovery or Gmail account recovery. Then you enter. So click on this link that says how to recover your Google account or Gmail. So tap on that link. Now you need to scroll down. Now here under can't sign in for another reason, you click on this link that says if you have another problem, get help signing in. So tap on that link. Now here under issue, you select the very first option, you forgot your password. Now you click the very second link that says tips to complete account recovery steps. So tap on that link. Now click the very first link that says go to the account recovery page. Now submit the email that you want to recover. Then tap on the next button. So here they prompt you to enter your last password. So enter any password you remember using. So most of us get stuck at this point, but don't worry because I'm going to help you out. So open a new tab. Type in support.google.com. Then you enter. Now under describe your issue, just type in recover. So click on the very first option, how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Now under Google account help, select community, the second option. Now scroll down, select post a question. Now under short summary of your issue, just type in Google account recovery. Now explain the problem you're facing. Just explain what you've been facing when you try to access back your account in just simple words. Now in the category, you select the very second option, account access and recovery. Then tap on the next button. Choose the best description. You select the very first option, account recovery. Then tap on the next step button. Then tap on the next step button. So here under platform, you select which device you're using. So select Android. Then tap on the next step button. Then tap on the post option. As you can see, you have successfully posted in Google Help community. So you'll receive an email to confirm your information. So minimize the browser and open your Gmail application. So this is the email that you receive. to confirm your information. And after 24 hours, they'll contact you with a new link that will help you reset a new password and recover back your Gmail account. So I hope this video helps you out recover back your account, and if it does, then don't hesitate, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn notification bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a new recovery video. So thank you for watching, hope to see you in the next one.